On this millennial review, we're taking a look at some Kurso headphones. These are some pretty inexpensive headphones that I found on Amazon, and I figured I'd unbox them on the screen here, take a look at them, and then I'll let you know what I think about the kind of the quality of these. So these I purchased off of Amazon for right around 10 bucks. Basically, it's a earbud style headphone. Reasonably nice looking. It's supposed to have a really difficult to break cable, and the reason I was purchasing these is my old headphones, the cables had ended up coming frayed. Now, kind of like the idea of this because it's got this removable kind of earpiece. So you've got the headphone, the earpiece itself is removable, so then you can pop a different size on and theoretically allow this to fit your head pretty good. So it is a decent looking headphone. These were pretty cheap. I do like the fact that this is going to have a volume rocker as well as a microphone on them. So let me go ahead, plug this into my phone, and I'll let you know what I think of the sound. So going into the ear, it does fit in reasonably well. I put the smaller one on this ear here. The larger, which is on the right hand side, that doesn't fit quite as well in my ear, but the small one fits fine. So let's go ahead, see how it sounds. So you've got the volume rocker, which will go ahead and slide up. So the bass isn't quite as good as I'd hope, but they sound all right. And it does have a play stop button right on here, so you can start it and stop it. And it does go up loud enough that you can block out a lot of what's around you, but they sound all right, not too bad. So I think what we can take away is that this is a pretty decent set of headphones. Not of course the highest quality, but then again, what do you expect for a relatively low price? But yeah, I think they're pretty decent. If you expect inexpensive quality, that's what you're gonna get, and I think you'll be happy with them. Well anyways, thanks for watching this video on these headphones. Go ahead and let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and be sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed the video.